This video will show you how to print a large block of data and make sure the headings print on every page. So before I show you the command, let's go up to the File tab and we'll go to Print and we'll see what it looks like currently. So page 1 looks fine. It's got the column headings, and we'll go to page 2. It doesn't have the column headings. And by the way, notice that there are 70 pages to this report. So people that don't know this little trick will copy the column headings and try to figure out where it shows up on all 70 pages. That's just a waste of time. So let me show you the shortcut. We'll select the Page Layout tab, and notice there's something called Print Title. So we'll click on Print Titles, and in the Print Title section, notice there's something for rows to repeat at the top. So we'll click that little arrow and it collapses the dialog box, and we just want row 1. So we'll just click in row 1, and then we'll expand the dialog box, and then we can go directly to Print Preview from here. So we'll choose Print Preview. Now we have 72 pages. So because it added the headings to every page, we now have extra pages in our report. But we're on page 1, it looks good. Page 2 looks good. And all 72 pages look great. So come on back over here. And that was a very fast way to make sure that the column headings printed at the top of every page. If you like this video, make sure you click the subscribe button below. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, we have over 31 live 1-hour instructor-led hands-on classes for you to choose from. And don't forget to download our free Excel keyboard shortcuts. Have fun starting to reclaim your valuable time.